supposed to be in that lane in the first place. Ocean State Job Lot, ran the red light. Haha, pass fail, haha. KT died, sucks. Okay, yellow, red. You ran the red light and you're beeping at him? Fuck you. Dude, come on. Hello, hello. Go! No, you again. Is this an exit dive? That's an exit dive. Hey! Hello! Hello! Watch up the doors, man. Hello! And that's another exit dive. Are we? Yeah, we're exit diving. Again, another exit dive. Oh God. To you, that was a cutoff. Oh, Can any of you people staying this side of the road? Your turn. Yeah. Since we've been together. How do your wipers work with that thing on? Down the phone! Oh, jeez. Thank you. Go! Go! Are you fucking idiot? Red light runner. Thank you. One less man to pick up after. What an asshole. Lexus driver. He ran that. Thank you. What the hell are you doing? Hey, 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 hey! Shriek. No. You're not supposed to do that, thank you. Keep the pain on the run. That's a stop sign. You totally ignored. What are you doing? Blinky blink, left, right, left, right. What is wrong with you? hello, hello, don't do it. Okay. Gee, sexy dive. I just got gas this morning, right? I don't know. Stop sign. It's on the fence. Hey, hey, oh, wake up.